अगर आपके पास पैसा नहीं है तो कुछ ऐसे प्रोडक्टिव काम करें जिससे आपका काम भी हो और आपको पैसा भी आए। क्या आप इसमें इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं? तो आप हमारी बातें उसे कृपया ध्यान से देखें, सुने और अपने जीवन में अमल करें। ये 100% है, आपको काम आएगा। सबसे पहले के स्टार्ट ए मनी सेविंग चैलेंज, अनसब्सक्राइब योर ईमेल, ऑर्गेनाइज योर ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंस, back up your computer, sell your stuff, become a delivery person, rent out your home, create a no spend challenge, have a wheel on loading session, create on your budget, choose a saving goal, plan your retirement income, track last month's spending, organize your documents, take online courses and organize your laptop and rent on your driveway. Organize a yard sale, write an ebook, research on money and make app. Do you have laundry? अगर laundry है तो laundry चलाइए. Do you have some cleaning? Do your meal preparation next week, prepare tomorrow clothes, create an emergency kit, create a first kit and organize your clothes, clean your fridge, organize your junk water, draw water, polish your jewelry, with your garden, sign your silver, sow your flower seeds, finish an unfinished project work in life, make your food and declutter your wardrobe, room को सफा दे, rearrange your furniture, see a missing bottom and create a favorite and receptive folder, try to a new recipe, plan your next vacation, learn something new, research a fitness video, train your brain, have a power to nap, turn the music and dances, get to bike ride, practice to mindfulness, meditate, learn another languages, contact a distant relative and write a letter to yourself, help them our elderly neighbor, take your breakfast and social media, take and talk to your child, bake a session, create your bucket list, watch the TED talk, join a book club and start a journal and always read and write the positive books and positive persons.